Thokozani, Emma Kosini, Thokozani Bokoko, Thokozani Mumkulu, Thokozani, everyone that is watching this video. Sanbonani, Emma Kosini. This is Nkosazana Robin. Those of you that do not know me, my name is Robin Malupi. I am on Instagram and on TikTok as Nkosazana Robin or Robin Malupi. Thokozani, Emma Kosini. So I'm playing Pasale. Green Vimbela, green Vimbela. So what are the spiritual uses of a green Vimbela? What does it stand for? Who can use it? And all of that. I know what's in Tongbuta. So yeah, it's in Pendul. Yo, excuse me. So a green Vimbela can be used by anyone, male or female. You can use it. Yo, a green Vimbela. I also love this one. Ngani. Why do I say I love this one? Cause you know what a green stands for? Money. Ngani. You know what a green stands for? Money. For money. Money. Money rituals. Ningalali to a green Vimbela. Cause I know what most of you need. Since I include the red one, I feel like never tell us hey, red Vimbela, everyone is using that one. But here's another gem. A green Vimbela. Green is for money. So Lena, it's for money, it's for business, it's for attraction as well. It's for prosperity. A green Vimbela, email money, prosperity and business. So nini bema business, nini len busy ngima business ngenan la. Can mix it with your oils, with your herbs, different kinds of herbs. For my herbs watuthi lawa attracts imali, ayadonsa, ayamemeta, woza. You understand? Afaka la khona ukuthi ikudonsele. So not only that, but it also protects. What I love about them ngema Vimbela is that protect onke akhona ukuthi akuvikele, but onke ane specific ngathini works or jobs, you understand, and imisebenzi yawo. So lena, it's for money, prosperity, for business, ikhona ukuthi ikuvikele. So lena ayingeni lokho kuphela, but iyangena futhi wena lo uthi unedithunyu. When you're on the tone, now tandaza apply uyayigcobisa. Can be under, like, behind your ears, under your feet, on your eyelashes, or you can use it as a lotion, and also on your hands as well. Now tandaza uyigcobisile iyakhona ukuthi ikuvikele, ikhanyisele, ikudonsele nemali. So ngiyayithanza le. So guys, ningalali, go get yourself a green Vimbela. Iyasebenta. Remember ukuthi ungakhona ukuthi uyisebenzise njengoba injalo, uthandaze uthi Nkosi bless me Lord. Yakhona ukuthi i-attract, iyasebenta guys kakhulu. So do not sleep, run. Thokozani Emma Kosini. I hope that was informative. Bye.